In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a bumper bracket on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located under the top bumper fascia. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, remove the 12 plastic clips to remove the top fascia cover. Remove the top cover. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove 3 screws for the fender liner. Pull the fender liner back. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove 3 bolts for our lower bumper fascia. There's one right here. There's one in the top right here. And there's one in the back side right here. Repeat the same process on the other side of the truck, pulling back the fender liner and removing the 3 screws. Pull straight out on the trim piece. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get in between the grill and the bumper. We're going to push on the tabs using a flat blade screwdriver or another plastic pick and release the clips as we go down. Pull the fascia out on the right side, pulling straight out, and remove it from the vehicle. We have 2 more bolts that we need to remove our bumper bracket. We're going to use a 7mm socket on the back side. You can't see anything, you just have to feel around for them. Remove the 3 screws and pull the bumper bracket out. Install the supplied clips into the back of the bracket and the 2 on the side. Snap the bracket into place and get the 2 front bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Start the bumper fascia on one corner. Wrap it around the front of the bumper. Push it into place on the corner. Travel around the front, clipping it into place. And installing it on the corner on the opposite side. Install the bolts on the side of the bumper fascia. One going into the top. Pull the fender liner into the bumper and behind the fender. Install the bolts for the fender liner. Repeat those same two processes for the bumper fascia and the fender liner on the opposite side. Install the top trim piece. Be sure the clips in the front clip down. Install all of the clips for the top trim piece.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.